Hi, I'm Gary Bebow, CEO of WRHS Health System, and this is my July CEO Connection. Standard of the month for July is ownership. In addition to just the importance of taking pride in our work and really presenting our best foot forward for patients and taking care of them, another thing I think about ownership is us taking pride in our facilities. That may mean picking up papers on the floor, or even today, I was at one of the offices across the street over in the north complex, and there was a box over there that had been left unattended during the evening, and it was all wet from dew and so on. And I thought, is that really the presence that we want to present? And so it might seem like small things to us from time to time, but really the fact is, as patients and guests come here to the hospital, their first impressions are often dependent on what the facility looks like, how we act as individuals, how we take ownership in our jobs in our facility. So for the month of July, join me and let's take a greater sense of ownership in our daily activities. I'm pleased to announce that we have a new physician joining us on July 21st. The name is Dr. Krishna. He is a neurologist just coming out of training. We're really looking forward to having Dr. Krishna on board. Neurology is a big business in our area, and a lot of people have had to travel elsewhere for that service. So, Dr. Krishna in July. In August, a partner of his will be joining us, Dr. Gonzalez, another neurologist. And so over the next couple of months, we're really going to have the availability of neurology, which over the last year or so has been lacking. So when you see Dr. Krishna as he comes into the hospital, I hope you'll make him feel welcome and help him and develop his new practice. Starting July 1st, we're going to, on our website, whiteriverhealthsystem.com, we're going to have a patient portal referred to as My WRHS Health. You'll be able to access your health information starting in July 1st. And in addition to that, you'll be able to request appointments, view medication information, you update your personal information, and sometime in the future, you'll eventually be able to even pay bills on the new portal. I think this is a great addition to the services we provide here at WRHS Health System, and for whether you're an employee or guest or visitor, I'd really encourage you to become familiar with My WRHS Health and take advantage of this new services we provide. So get on it, July 1st. The WRHS Health System on June 14th had its annual golf classic. This year was really one of the best years we've ever had. We raised about $168,000, which by all standards in our state, that's really one of the best golf tournaments there is in our state. So I really want to thank all the volunteers who came out and spent their time with us that day. For some of you that helped us and developed others to sponsor the event, again, I really thank you. It's a special event for all of us as we talk about the hospital and we engage others and what we're trying to accomplish here. So thanks for making it a success this year. On June 23rd, we opened up our satellite emergency room in our medical complex in Highland. Prior to that, on June 17th, we did an open house. The open house was really well attended, a lot of enthusiasm, a lot of thumbs up, positive comments about our addition of our presence in that area. We're off to a great start. I think the community is really welcoming us, and I think we have a great responsibility to not let them down. So here we go, and if you're up in that area, I hope you'll stop by and see what we offer there. Encourage your friends and neighbors that are up in that area to use the satellite emergency room, and so we're glad to get it started. Each month we do a community education event, and on July 8th, Dr. John Allgood's going to come talk about radiation oncology at White River Health System. You may remember that in the March-April time period, we replaced the previous linear accelerator with one of the most newest technology available in radiation oncology. And I know Dr. Allgood will do a great job in talking about what this new technology offers to our community. And so if you have time at noon on July 8th, come on over and hear what Dr. Allgood has to say about our new expanded, better service in radiation oncology. That concludes my CEO Connection for July. As always, I hope that you'll take time and give us the benefit of your feedback on how we can make this better in the future. And so have a great July. See you next month.